And we are following one woman's scary experience in Los Angeles. A Crosse native, Melissa Mickelson, had to evacuate her home last night. CBS 58's Andy Bernhardt has been keeping up with her journey, and Andy, it really has been quite the 24 hours for her.
That's right, Natalie. I can tell you it's been a whirlwind of emotions for Melissa. She was on watch all day yesterday, hoping those flames would stay away from her apartment, when all of a sudden the smoke and embers got too close for comfort.
That's bad. It's close. I don't like that. Are you leaving?
Oh my God.
This was the scene outside Melissa Mickelson's apartment in Los Angeles Wednesday night near Hollywood Boulevard, moments before she had to evacuate.
I thought everything was okay by me, and no, up comes a fire just not even a half mile away from us, just down the road at Runyon Canyon, and I could see the flames. With an emergency bag packed, Mickelson, her boyfriend and dog immediately hit the road, where even more chaos ensued, with bumper-to-bumper traffic and emergency vehicles working to make their way through. I was panicking because we could not move. We were stuck in traffic. Everyone was freaking out around us, and smelling it just made me think, oh my God, I'm going to die breathing in this air. She says it took around 45 minutes to drive only 4 blocks while embers and smoke filled the air. It took all night for us to just move just a couple miles. I mean, it was really bad. After a long night, she was able to make it to safety in Beverly Hills. We finally got out of there, but holy crap. Anxious to leave her apartment behind and worried for the safety of her community. It doesn't worry me as much losing my apartment and clothes and, you know, random stuff I can buy, as like I was scared for animals and like people who were living in the hills, people in the Hollywood Hills. I mean, they were probably, I mean, that got real bad. Yeah, that was a life or death situation right behind us up in the hills. And I've been keeping tabs with her throughout the day, texting her. She said that evacuation has lifted, so they made it back to their home. But as they made it back there, they saw trees falling on cars. Her home luckily is okay, but there's ashes just coming down in the air. Not stuff you want to be seeing as you're making your way back home.
Oh, like apocalyptic. And it's almost crazy to think about that. That's just one story of tens of thousands of people that are dealing with the same stuff, in a lot of cases, a lot worse.
And before yesterday, when you talked to her, she didn't have to evacuate. She was worried about the very thing that ended up happening that day.
I know, she was like, that traffic was the big stress. And she's one of the lucky ones, too, which is crazy to think, those people without homes. But still, the lucky ones are suffering a lot.
Absolutely. And